All right, let's talk money, passive income, the dream, right? Making money while Today we explore one such path. It involves swapping tokens, specifically USDT and bargain promise. This is for beginners and for those looking for new ways to grow their crypto. In 2025, things how can just swapping make money? These are great questions. We will answer them all. Think of this as your friendly guide. It's May 30th, 2025. The crypto market is buzzing. New opportunities pop up daily. Ready to learn more? Let's dive in. First things first, what is USDT? Think of it as a digital dollar. Its value aims to stay at $1, always, or very close to it. It's called a stablecoin. Stable is the key word here. Less drama, more predictability, which is nice in crypto, sometimes. Imagine you buy coffee. With dollars, the price is stable. USDT aims for that same stability in the wild crypto world. So, 1 USDT should equal $1. This makes it useful for trading, for holding value, without the crazy price swings of Bitcoin or other altcoins. Now, what about WETH? WETH stands for wrapped ether. Sounds a bit strange, right? Wrapping a crypto. It's like putting ether or ETH in a special DeFi-friendly wrapper. ETH is Ethereum's native coin, super popular, super powerful, but it has some limitations. Why wrap ETH to get WETH? It's all about compatibility. Many decentralized finance apps or DeFi apps use a standard called ERC20 for tokens. Regular ETH isn't ERC20, WETH is. It's 8th, but ERC20. This makes it play nice with all sorts of DeFi platforms for swapping, lending, and more. So we have USDT, we have WETH. Now, how do we swap them? This happens on DEX. Decentralized exchanges, big word, but a simple idea really. No central company, no boss. Unlike Coinbase or Binance, those are centralized exchanges. DEXs are different, very different. On a DEX, you trade directly with other users or with a pool. It's peer-to-peer. Mostly your crypto stays in your wallet until the moment you swap. This gives you more control and often more privacy too. No need for lengthy sign-ups. Just connect your wallet and go. How does this magic happen? Through something called liquidity pools. Imagine a big pot filled with two types of tokens, say USDT and WETH. Users like you provide these tokens. They pool their assets. This creates liquidity, so there are always tokens to swap. Smart, right? Very smart. And who manages these pools? Automated market makers, AMMs. These are smart contracts, basically code that runs the show. The code sets the token prices based on supply and demand in that specific pool. No order books like old exchanges. It's all math, all automated. Welcome to the future of trading. Okay, the exciting part. How do you earn by swapping? It sounds too good to be true. Just trading can make you money beyond just price gains? Yes. In some cases, it can. This is the swap to earn idea. It's becoming a cool trend in the DeFi space right now. One way is through rebates. Think of it like cashback. You make a trade, you swap, and the platform gives you back a small part of the trading fee, or even extra bonus tokens just for using their service. This encourages trading volume, which is good for the DEX and good for you, the trader. Another reward-type liquidity fees. Now this is interesting. Usually liquidity providers earn fees, but some platforms get creative. They might offer programs where active swappers get a tiny slice of the platform's overall trading fees, or they might reward high volume with a share of protocol revenue. It's about being an active user. And then there are airdrops. Airdrops, free crypto. Sometimes DEX or new projects will airdrop their own tokens to users who actively swap, especially on their platform. It's a way to reward early users and to distribute their new tokens, so your swapping activity itself could lead to unexpected windfalls. Ready to swap USDT for WETH or the other way around? It's simpler than you might think. First, you'll need a crypto wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Ensure you have some ETH for gas fees and the USDT or WETH you want to swap. Next, head to a DEX like Uniswap. Always double-check the URL to avoid scams. Find the swap section and connect your wallet. Select the tokens you want to swap from, and 2, enter the amount. You might need to approve USDT first, which requires a small gas fee. Then click swap, confirm in your wallet and wait. You'll see the swap tokens in your wallet. You did it. Okay, hold on, before you ape in, it's not all rainbows and unicorns. Crypto has risks, serious ones. Swapping USDT and WETH too. You need to know these so you can be smart and safe. Don't let FOMO cloud judgment. Fear of missing out is dangerous. Always proceed with caution. First up, gas fees, especially on Ethereum. Every transaction costs gas paid in ETH. Sometimes these fees are low, sometimes they are crazy high if the network is busy. A small swap could cost a lot in fees, wiping out any profit. Always check gas before swapping. Then there's market volatility. USDT is stable, yes, but WETH is not. Its price moves a lot, like regular ETH. If you swap USDT for WETH, the value of your WETH can drop suddenly, significantly. So the timing of your swaps matters. You could lose money even if you earn small rewards. And of course, scams. The crypto world is full of them. Fake DEX websites, phishing links, fake tokens with familiar names. If a deal looks too good to be true, it probably is a scam. Always double-check URLs. Never share your private keys or your wallet's seed phrase. Also, not all platforms offer rewards. Some swaps are just swaps, no bonus. So, you understand the risks. You're still interested. Good. Where do you find these programs, these swap-to-earn opportunities? They aren't always obvious. You need to do some digging, some research, your own research. That's super important in crypto. Don't just trust random advice. Start with the DEXs themselves. Go to the official websites of well-known decentralized exchanges. Look for sections like rewards or earn promotions or campaigns. Sometimes they announce programs to incentivize trading of certain pairs like USDT, WETH, for example. Read their announcements, their blogs, follow their official social media. Next, check out DeFi aggregator sites. These are websites that gather info about different DeFi opportunities from various platforms, all in one place. Sites like Zapper.fi or Zerion or DeBank. They can be helpful. They might list yield farms, staking options, and sometimes specific swap-to-earn programs or trading competitions with rewards. Don't forget community channels. Crypto happens in communities, Discord servers, Telegram groups, Twitter, now X, influencers. Sometimes alpha leaks here first, information about new programs or rewarding swap opportunities. But be very careful. Scammers love these places too. Verify everything. Trust, but verify. Earning passive income is great, but swapping USDT and WETH has other practical uses too. It's not just about the rewards. These swaps are fundamental tools for navigating the crypto markets. Smart traders use them daily for various strategic reasons. Let's explore a few now. Hedging against volatility. The crypto market can be a roller coaster. Prices can crash hard, fast. If you hold WETH or ETH and you expect a price drop, you can quickly swap it to USDT, the stablecoin. This helps protect your capital from losing value in a downturn. Then you can buy back WETH later, cheaper. Trading and speculation, of course. This is the most obvious use. If you think WETH price will go up, you swap your USDT for WETH to catch that upward movement. Then you can swap WETH back to USDT after the price rises to lock in your profits. This requires market knowledge and good timing and some luck. Arbitrage and rebalancing. Arbitrage is buying low on one DEX and selling high on another, quickly for a small profit. USDT WETH swaps can be used for this if prices differ across platforms. Rebalancing is about your portfolio. Maybe you want 60% WETH, 40% USDT. If WETH price pumps, your ratio changes. You swap some WETH to USDT to get back to your target allocation. Smart. So, there you have it. USDT WETH swaps explained, a potential way to earn passive income in crypto in 2025. It's an exciting space, no doubt, full of innovation and opportunity, but also, as we discussed, risks. It's not a magic money tree. Nothing in life is, right? The main benefits are clear. Potential for passive rewards, rebates, fee shares, airdrops, increased utility for your crypto, deeper engagement with DeFi, learning valuable market skills. These are all good things. They can help you grow financially and as a crypto user. Knowledge is power, especially here. But remember my warnings. Gas fees can eat profits. Volatility can cause losses. Scams are everywhere. Be vigilant. Do your own research. I can't stress this enough. Start small. Learn the ropes. Never invest more than you can lose. That's the golden rule always. The world of crypto is evolving fast, constantly right now. Swap to earn is just one piece of a much larger puzzle. But it's an interesting piece, especially as we navigate 2025. So explore these new opportunities cautiously, intelligently. Your crypto journey is yours to make. Go make it a good one. Good luck.